In today's video, the PATH Act has been lifted. If you're still waiting on your EITC refund, we are going to go over a possibility that maybe you are being audited for claiming the credit. So make sure you stay tuned. But before we begin, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. Let's recap. The Earned Income Tax Credit helps low to moderate income workers and families get a tax break. If you qualify, you can use the credit to reduce the taxes you owe and maybe increase your tax refund. You may receive a letter from the IRS about the credit you claim. Now, here are two of the notices that are related to an EITC audit. Understanding your CP75 notice. Now, this notice means that the IRS is auditing your 2024 tax return and they need documentation to verify the earned income credit you claim as well as the additional child tax credit. Now, when you receive this notice, you need to read the notice carefully as well as any enclosed forms. They will explain the information that you must send to the IRS. You must provide copies of the documentation they request to verify the items that they are auditing. You must complete the response form by showing which items your supporting documents addresses and return the form with the documents you are submitting. Now, make sure you send all of your documents at the same time, and it states make sure your documents are easy to read to avoid confusion or any further delays. You want to make sure you're sending the exact documents, all of the documents at the same time. Make sure all of the documents are legible and clear to read. The second notice related to an EITC audit is the CP75A notice. This notice means that the IRS is auditing your 2024 tax return and they need documentation to verify the earned income credit, dependents, and filing status you claim on your tax return. Make sure you read the notice and any enclosed forms carefully. They will explain exactly what the IRS need from you. Make sure you send the exact documents all at once to avoid any further delays. Now, why was your tax return selected for an audit? The IRS states that while they accept most returns as filed, they select some for examination. They may audit your tax return to determine if your income, expenses, credits are being reported accurately. They select tax returns for examination using various methods, including random sampling, computerized screening, and comparison of information they receive, such as your W-2s and your 1099s. And having your return selected for examination doesn't suggest that you made an error or you were dishonest. Now, here is a cheat sheet so you can go over to see if you were eligible for the credit. If you claim the credit correctly, it gives the complete breakdown. Make sure you review it at your convenience. Also have investment income of $11,600 or less in order to claim the EITC credit. And to claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, you must have earned income. The credit is called Earned Income Credit because to qualify, you must work and have earned income. If you are married and file a joint return, you must meet this rule if at least one spouse worked and has earned income. If you are an employee, earned income includes all taxable income you get from your employer. And here's another cheat sheet to help you determine who qualify as a qualifying child. Make sure you review it at your convenience. All right. Now let's go over one of the notice, a sample notice that you may receive if you're being audited. Here's a sample notice. We receive your income tax return and we are verifying it for accuracy. We are holding your refund until we finish reviewing the information reported. We have selected your tax return to verify one or more of the following. It may be due to income, income tax withholding, tax credits like the earned income tax credit, additional child tax credit, as well as business income. Now, if you file your tax return, it states you don't need to do anything else but allow 60 days for the IRS to complete the review and as well as respond with any additional information that they may request from you. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you're still waiting on your EITC refund. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.